Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 8 divided by 8 is equal to 72 divided by 1. Now 72 divided by 1 is equal to 72. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Okay. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay. So PEMDAS P-E-M DAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. Then fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Okay. And addition and subtraction also have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So here is division, here is multiplication. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. So is equal to 72. Now, according to KCF rule, K means keep this 72 as it is same. C means change this sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction. 1 by 8 is equal to 8 upon 1 multiply 8. Now 8 upon 1 is equal to 8. So we can remove this one. Okay. So now here is multiplication and here is multiplication. Both have equal priority. So first we have to solve this part. Okay. So now 72 multiply 8 is equal to 576 multiply 8. Now 576 multiply 8 is equal to 4608. Okay. So the correct answer is 4608. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.